So, لولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض. Is it not, if it were not for the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala checks some people by means of others, the reply, the jawab is la fasadatil ardu. La fasada yafsidu. To get bad, to get rotten. You say fasada at-ta'am. Fasada at-ta'am. If you leave the food for 2 days outside the fridge, yeah, it's spoiled. You say fasada at-ta'am. Hadha at-ta'amu fasidun. Hadha at-ta'amu fasidun. This is rotten. Spoiled. Fasada yafsidu. Bab fa'ala. Daraba yadribu. Masdar is fasadun. Fasadun. La fasadatil ardu. Ard is masculine or feminine? Feminine. La fasadatil ardu. Lam is the lam of the jawab. If it is negative, it doesn't take lam. If it is positive, it takes lam. Lamat an-nasu. La fasadatil ardu. There would have been mischief in the world. La fasadatil ardu. The world would have been spoiled. So that is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always checks by creating people who can fight the others. La fasadatil ardu. ولكن الله ذو فضل على العالمين. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is full of mercy and bounty to his creation. Alameen, as we've seen, alam, alamoon, and alameen. Majroor. So please learn this lawla. We have learned this before, but lawla and then badal. Lawla دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض. I'll give another example. هنأ الناس. هنأ greeted, congratulated. هنأ الناس بعضهم بعضا. People greeted, some of them, the others. هنأ الناس بعضهم, here مرفوع because ناس. هنأ الناس بعضهم بعضا. سلم الناس. سلم الناس. People greeted. بعضهم على بعض. بعضهم على بعض. سلم الناس بعضهم على بعض. لولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض, had it not been for the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala checks some people by means of others, there have been mischief in the world. ولكن الله, why Allah is mansub? Ismu lakinna. Lakinna is one of the sisters of what? Inna. ولكن الله ذو فضل. ذو is always مضاف. فضل مضاف إليه على العالمين. تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق. تلك آيات الله. These are the revelations of Allah. The نتلوها تلا يتلو تلاوة. تلا يتلو تلاوة. اسم الفاعل تال بتاليف لام التالي. اسم المفعول yes مطلوب. مطلوب, just like دعا يدعو مدعو. تلا يتلو مطلوب. واو بتشدة. تلا يتلو is to recite. To recite. تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك. There is another word, tala yatlu tuluwan. Masdar is different, tala yatlu tuluwan. That means to follow. To follow, come behind, come after. You say, Ajib an al-asilatil taliya. The following questions. Yeah, same word, yeah. Wal-qamar idha tala, when it follows. So, tala yatlu. But tilawa, masdar tilawa is recitation, tala yatlu tilawa. Tilka ayat, ayat I told you in the first lecture, ayat, hamza plus alif is written like this in the mushaf. Tilka ayatullahi. Ayatun has got two plurals. Ayatun, another plural is ayun. Ayun. Ayatun and ayun. Tilka ayatullahi natluha alayka bilhaqq. Now here, natluha, this sentence, jumla, is hal. But hal comes after a verb. Ja'a Muhammadun rakiban. He came riding. دخل المدرس حاملا الكتب. How did he come? Carrying books. So a hal describes an action. But here, tilka ayatullahi, where is an action? You see, the asma'ul ishara, hadha, hadhihi, dhalika, tilka, it has a force of a verb, meaning ushiru, I point out, I point to. Ushiru, ashara, yushiru. Ayi bab? Which bab? Fourth. Ashara, yushiru. Ashara yushiru. I, how do you say I? Huwa yushiru, ana ushiru, nahnu nushiru, we point out, point to. So when we say tilka ayatullahi, so as if it means nushiru ila ayatillahi, nushiru, we point to the, so there you have got a verb, an action. That is why you can have a hal with ismul ishara. Ismul ishara because it stands for ushiru, nushiru, we point to, or I point to.